Good morning, and we've dodged, it's a long time coming this one, we've dodged the rain and we've dodged IT difficulties last week, which will probably delay this video coming out to you. The truck will probably be advertised first. But what a magnificent example this is. Really is special. It is a 1970 Morris Minor pickup, so Morris Minor LCV, fully restored, and it is in absolutely jaw-dropping condition, and I am not exaggerating either, guys. It's one of those where if we were going to build you this truck, I would say you'd be in 35 grand probably, plus the dreaded. It's not a fresh restoration, it's 4 years old, but it's been dry stored ever since it was done, and as you can see, the quality of the paintwork's absolutely magnificent. The underside of it's absolutely magnificent as well. That seems to be the word of today coming out of my mouth, magnificent, which applies to this truck very well. So the paintwork's absolutely great, finished in teal blue. It's got some nice new wide 8CWT wheels on it, new brand spanking new tyres, new hubcaps. Basically nearly everything on the truck is brand new. 8 previous keepers. I'll go around again and then we'll have a look inside. It's a pleasure to drive. I'll give you a sneaky peek of the inside of the body because it's absolutely spot on. Look, not a ding or dent or anything there. Splendid, absolutely splendid is this truck. As you can see, not a ripple or anything on the paint. All the bodywork's absolutely great. Panel gaps are nice. Beautiful shine on the paint. Beautiful choice of colour as well for a build. As I say, the underside's absolutely great. As you can see, the exhaust and that's all brand spanking new. Interior's all in nice condition. New headlining, new cars, new carpets, new glove box liners. Showing 69,982 miles. Absolutely superb, as you can see down there. All the sills and everything about it's absolutely great. As you can see, look how clean that is, and how nice and clean that door gap is, or the door aperture. All spot welds and everything there on the gutters. I'm struggling to find anything negative about it, but I'm sure somebody will. Runs and starts well. So as anybody knows, this is not an Austin badge one, with it being a late one. It's a Morris badge one, which some people like, with it being the old Austin. I mean the Morris rather than the Austin. The inner wings, all the engine bay absolutely clean as a whistle. Really nice and clean. I've already shown you the back body, so it's got new wiring and everything, as you can see. Even the hood sticks have been powder coated and all refinished. Look, the body, the tailgate, the underside, the engine bay, the hood, the interior. Everything about the truck is absolutely clean as a whistle, fresh out of the box. As I say, this would be, if we were to build it for you, it'd be 35 grand plus at least, and you'd have a 2-3 year waiting list, which if you want one building, any Morris Minor at all, whether it be a traveller, a saloon, convertible, LCV, just give us a call, because we can build to any spec you want. As everybody in the world knows now, WRCC Morris Minor Centre can build any colour, any spec Morris Minor that you want, and ship them worldwide as well. However, if you want to save yourself a little bit extra on a build cost, and you want to save yourself 2 to 3 years wait time for a build, this one is available now, straight out the door. We can drop it anywhere you want in the world, and it's on at 19,995 which for a truck of this quality, or a Morris Minor of this quality, is an absolute steal, and I can guarantee you that. So as always, give us a call, 01422881221, speak to me, Dan, in sales, if you're interested. Send us an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. This video will be on Insta and YouTube. Also, it'll all be on Facebook and available at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. If you need anything, don't be afraid to ask, guys. Cheers.